So we just got to the park, and my dad's setting up for the rockets. I'm here, and there's a few other of us. This guy, this girl, this brother, this guy. If you haven't noticed, the first and the last ones are twins. Okay, so my dad's setting up the stand right now and getting the parachute ready. We're going to shoot it up, and the first one goes how high, Dad?
1,800 feet.
No.
Oh.
That's the second one. You can't wait till that!
Go up to 1,000 feet, but we're using a small rocket engine because it's extremely windy.
1,000 feet because it's extremely windy. If he did not put in enough. Extremely windy on it. Okay, so Alyssa's going to tell us why she's here.
What? No. I was told I was spending the night at her house.
Not enough. It's fusing action. Yeah. Yeah, that word. You should say, I was told I was spending the night at her house. Shame. Your turn.
Little dude with the Coke hat on. What do I do?
You're supposed to tell us
I think the motion.
why
Oh my gosh.
you were here.
So?
Now tell us.
I don't know.
Because he had to sleep over with my brother, and rockets are awesome, dude.
We had a party last night.
And here's the other one.
Hey, the motion went over them. My mom asked if we would go or not. Did we say?
See? No, he has a floozy, whatever. That word.
One.
Yeah. So,
Shoot off it.
now Clarky's whining about who gets to be it. Can I say it? Who gets to shoot it?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot that one off pretty soon. Like in 2 minutes. Julia.
And now he's about to shoot this one off. See?
Isn't it expensive for those?
Is it what?
Expensive to buy those?
The rocket's about $16.
And you put them together yourself.
The rocket engines, it's $10 for 3 of them.
Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool.
Actually, the F is So, a $26 activity. How fun!
That doesn't include the launch pad, the wadding,
It's expensive.
That's all.
You don't know when to see the
Okay, so that was our intro, and we're gonna come back with another video diary thing in a moment. Bye!